How to restore old YouTube layout. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to restore old YouTube layout. The old YouTube layout refers to the design that existed before the major updates in recent years. So to restore old YouTube layout, first open your Chrome browser. Search for the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find extensions that add new features and functionality to your browser. In the search bar, type in YouTube Redux. This extension is specifically designed to bring back the old YouTube layout. Click on Add to Chrome. You might see a confirmation pop up. Just click Add Extension to proceed. When installing YouTube Redux extension, go to YouTube, and the classic YouTube layout should be staring right back at you. And this is how to restore old YouTube layout. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully get the classic YouTube layout back. If you have any questions about restore old YouTube layout, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.